If you've ever seen a sari like this and wondered how this kind of border is made, then this reel is for you. So while these kind of borders are very interesting to see, the jacquard adds to the the beauty and the grandeur of such saris. We can also make lot of simple borders, but each equally pretty and unique. For instance, like this, using a dobby. So for this reel, I'll be taking the help of two of our weavers, Mr. Balakrishnappa and Mr. Krishnappa. Both of them are going to demonstrate how we do differential, borders using dobby. If you see, the beauty of this sari is this waves border that forms automatically by weaving. The petals are connected to the dobby. So the dobby automatically moves with every petal, and one by one it lifts the yarns only where the waves border needs to go. The zari is given as a separate attachment, and we've of course weighted it down, and then they are again specially joined to only those areas where the dobby can control. So now the zari goes as a separate overlay. You can see the yellow lines from the dobby that controls as the weaver pedals. However, if you see how Balakrishnappa sir is weaving, this case it has to be a full round. So there's actually a complicated design to set on the the pegs of the dobby as well as to control, because the zari may slip and cut at any point of time. So he has to take extraordinary caution while weaving the sari itself. Now, however, if you look at it, this is not his usual speed because of this new border and also the nature of the zari. He is trying to maintain a separate uniform speed so that there are no cuts. So I've always maintained the uniqueness of Indian handlooms come from how mathematically precise we are, and this includes a lot of geometry as well. If you see, the dobby is actually a very practical example of how geometry works and how we can transfer something from a graph so beautifully onto fabric and make it unique. Now, most of this comes when we design also, we kind of co-design with our weavers, but most of the practical implementations comes directly from our weavers, and we are so thankful to them for this. So the next time you see something like this or like this, you won't just stop with admiring them aesthetically, you'll know exactly how they are done.